the app iMovie, you'll hit the plus, and we're going to go over the trailer first. So the trailer is very scripted, meaning they cannot make a lot of changes, and whatever theme they choose is the theme throughout. They cannot change or edit anything about the theme, and they cannot edit the music. So trailers are easier for younger students, maybe older students if it's something that they want to produce quickly and it's something that they don't have a lot of freedom with. It is scripted, so it's easy to plug in your information, and it's kind of a quick and easy assignment that can be finished. So what they'll do first is they'll pick a theme. They can click on the theme and they can play it so they can see what it will look like. They'll go to create. The storyboard, here's the storyboard. So they'll have to insert videos or pictures into these little pictures that are over here. So let's say that I'm going to add a picture to this one. I'm just going to click on it, and then over here it's going to give you all of this stuff that you can insert there. So if it's a photo, I can insert a photo, or I can take a picture or a video, live, or right when you're creating it, and you can insert it there. And then the titles here, this is what they are going to change. So they'll want to change it to the title of their movie. I'm just going to type a word, welcome, and it's going to appear on the left-hand side there. So they'll change everything in the blue, and that's what their movie will look like. And then the outline is, like the credits of a movie. So you'll put the movie name at the top. Studio name, they can make that up. Logo, so we'll change what the logo looks like over here, what it's going to look like. And then the credits, they can, put the names in the credits, like people in their group, that kind of stuff. When they're done with it, they're just going to save it to the camera roll. So from here, they're going to go to the share row, and they're going to hit save video, and it will save to the camera roll. The other option is a movie. So the movie, they have to create everything. It will take a lot longer to produce a movie, and they have to pull everything in. So there's nothing that's already scripted or created for them. So they'll click the movie and then just hit create at the bottom. So the first thing is to add videos or photos. So you're going to go up here to moments. The moments will go ahead and put videos and photos all there for you. So that's what's easiest. So I'm just going to insert a picture, and you're going to click on it and you'll hit plus. So there's the picture. A couple things you can do with the picture is if you click on it, you can make the picture shorter or you can make it longer, depending on how long that you need it. Same thing with a video. If I add a video in here, let's say that I don't need all this video, I just want to crop it. I can click on it and I can make it shorter. Again, just like you can a picture. Also, the picture, whenever you play it, the picture has a feature or an effect called Ken Burns, so you can see that it's moving. If you want it to stay still, you'll go up here to the top, and you have to be on actions, which down here at the bottom you see this the scissors, and you're going to click. It said Ken's Burns enabled. We want to disable. So now when I play it, it's still. So that's just kind of an effect that's already on there. Now if you also would like to add a title slide or something, if you go over here to backgrounds, you can choose any sort of background that you want, and you're going to hit the plus. And then let's say that they need to type the title. They'll go down here to titles, and they will type a title. Then I need to edit. Something to know about this is it should be short, like a short title. So you're not able to type a paragraph here, it just needs to be the titles. If you need more information, I suggest you use Keynote. Take a picture of the Keynote slide and you can insert it as a picture. So that's another way that the students can do that. The next thing is music. If you want to add music to the background, you go down here to audio, and you can go to soundtracks, and these are the ones that are already on the iPad. So they can go through and they can pick one. If I find one that I want, I click on it, I hit the plus, and then it will add it right down here. Other thing you can do with the music is you can increase or decrease the volume. So if I click on the audio itself, you're going to go right here to volume, and you can make it louder or you can make it softer. That kind of depends on what else you have in your movie. So another thing you can have in your movie is voiceover. So if the students need to talk or explain the picture or video that is being displayed in the movie, you're going to go to this microphone, and then they're going to hit record, and what they are saying will record right here. Look, it's in red, and then you'll stop it. And then now you have a recording of your voice and you have an audio. So that's where you'll want to change the volume. So if you want the audio in the back or the music to be low, but you want to be able to hear your voice, that's where you can change, both of those things, so you can still have both in the background. And the last thing is transition. So that means when we go from this black slide to the picture, do you want it to just go directly to one picture to the next, or do you want a transition? So here in the middle is a transition, so they can choose. If I just choose dissolve or slide, you can see that it changes, and they'll just hit play so then they can see what it looks like. So you can also just have none. You can have none, or they can choose any of these. They can also choose the length of the transition. If they want it to be a slow transition or a faster transition, they can change that as well. So when they are finished with it, they'll obviously want to listen to it, but then they're going to hit done, and they are going to hit the share and save video.